In a country that cherishes notions of mercy and sanctification in death, there has been nothing like this before. Italy suffering the brunt of the pandemic in Europe, but behind the data and numbers are families in mourning, relatives not able to see their loved ones for a final time, nor accompany these coffins to the grave.
È stato detto che le bare.
Authorities no longer knew where to put coffins. The saddest thing is that these people were so alone. There were people who died without anyone to hear or see them, without the possibility to talk to their families, without anyone who could comfort them.
Spain toughened its nationwide lockdown on Saturday, halting all non-essential activities, as it suffers a new record in the number of daily fatalities, the government issuing a plea for solidarity and support from European neighbours.
Esta es una crisis que afecta a todos los países y que por tanto.
This crisis affects all countries. It does not obey borders. The response cannot only be national, it must be a European response. It has to be a response where we all work as one, whether we are Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, German. It has to be a European response.
But Spain is already looking further afield than Europe. Another batch of masks arriving from China. France also now talking about an air bridge supply line to Beijing. The Prime Minister has tried to reassure the public, but also be realistic, admitting the country needs outside help, ordering ventilators from Germany and millions of face masks from China. Doctors from other parts of the country heading to the east, people suffering from COVID-19 heading the other way, moved by army helicopter and specially adapted high-speed trains to areas with more capacity to deal with the sick. In Paris, the Eiffel Tower lit up with a special message saying thank you to health workers. Cities across Europe now reduced to ghost towns. Silent streets, empty cafes, deserted squares, as people follow the advice common to all nations now. To save lives, you must stay at home. Cullen, CGTN, Paris.